Welcome to our EdTech YouTube video. We, the group members of Team 1, have come up with a very interesting and rather relevant topic of which not many know till date.
It is rather easy to say that the current generation were not here to witness the first landing on Moon under the Apollo 11 mission. That mission did not only raise many questions but also became a part of so many memes. But it's been 50 years to that mission, and since Neil Armstrong took a step on the Moon and pronounced those 10 words that changed the history of space flight.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Did you know that by the end of 2024, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, commonly known as NASA, has come up with another mission which takes the first woman and the next man on the Moon?
Interested to know more? Let us, the team members of Team 1, Aisha, Aram, Jessica and Mritika, take you to the Moon while staying in your rooms.
NASA is planning to spend millions for this mission to build the new exploration ground system, a brand new space launch system, and the new space vehicle, the Orion. As mentioned earlier, NASA is taking the first woman and the next man on the Moon under the Artemis program.
This program is a lunar exploration space program. By landing on Moon once a year after 2024, we will not only learn how to live and operate on other celestial bodies, but also this mission will be a landmark in the future of space exploration.
The architecture of the SLS and the Orion play a major role for making this mission possible.
The first element is called the ascent element, where the astronauts will fly during the descent and ascent. The descent element is the Moon landing vehicle, and the last element, the transfer element, is to transfer the lunar lander to the Moon.
Astronauts will dock the Orion at the gateway and transfer to the human landing system for expeditions on the surface of the Moon.
Artemis 1, an uncrewed flight, will be launched to test the SLS and Orion spacecraft together, followed by the Artemis 2 mission, the first SLS and Orion test flight with crew. Astronauts will land on the Moon on the Artemis 3 mission.
But why go to the Moon again?
New science investigation and technology experiments are leading the return to the Moon beginning in 2021. Through a variety of upcoming robotic and human activities on the surface and in the orbit around the Moon, we will better understand the universe and our home planet.
Astronauts will learn how to live and operate on other celestial bodies, which will prove to be a major role in the colonizing of Mars.
The exact landing site for Artemis 3 astronaut depends on several factors, including the specific science objectives and the launch date.
With that being said, let's go one step ahead and see the major parts that make this mission most probably possible.
The SLS is NASA's powerful new rocket that will send humans and cargoes to the Moon and beyond. The Space Launch System is designed to be flexible and evolvable and is the agency's first deep space rocket since Saturn V.
NASA's Orion spacecraft will carry crew to lunar orbit, where they will transfer to a human landing system or the gateway. Crew will use the spacecraft to return safely home to Earth, which has been built to withstand the extreme heat experienced upon the re-entry into the atmosphere.
The Gateway is an outpost around the Moon to support human and scientific exploration in the deep space. Built with commercial and international partners, the Gateway is critical to sustainable lunar exploration and will serve as a model for future missions to Mars.
With that being said, let's hear from the Artemis team themselves.
At NASA, we have always answered the innate call to go.
With Artemis,
we are going to stay.
proving that humanity
can live on the moon,
Mars, and other worlds,
and share the wonders of the solar system with all.
Our story is one of people.
All those who make this journey possible.
From advocates across communities,
to companies across industries,
to countries around the world,
we achieve this collective endeavor.
Our efforts create impact for all.
Technologies that revolutionize industries.
And jobs that bring prosperity to people.
The discoveries from space
benefit the way we live on Earth today.
And those from the moon
will create a better future
for generations to come.
But to do that,
we must go.
Hi, I'm Chell Lindgren.
My name is Raja Chari.
Kayla Barron.
Kate Rubens. Hi, I'm Christina Cook.
NASA astronaut Joe Acaba.
Jessica Meir.
Woody Hoberg.
Anne McLean.
Stephanie Wilson.
My name is Johnny Kim.
Nicole Mann.
Victor Glover.
Jessica Watkins.
Hi, I'm Matthew Dominic.
Jasmine Mogbelli.
Frank Rubio.
Scott Tingle.
This is what we do.
This is what we will do.
Let's go.
We go to the moon to learn how to live on other planets.
For the benefit of all.
NASA's next chapter of lunar exploration, the Artemis, does not only have the task of going to the moon to create a long-term human presence on and around it, but also to prepare for ever more complex missions to Mars and beyond.
Hello, I'm Asha Sabir.
Hi, I'm Aram Naz.
Hey, I'm Jessica.
Hey, I'm Ritika, and thank you so much for watching this video.